Hey, good morning, Austin, Texas. This is Bradley Allen again with Covert Cadillac. Just going to go in here and show you guys a quick how-to on how to search for a vehicle on our website. Just got off the phone with a lovely young lady who was looking for a vehicle, and she was having a little difficulty, so I thought I'd show you how. If you go to covertcadillac.com in your URL, it's going to bring you to this landing page, and there's quite a bit going on. She was looking for a 2016 Yukon, and apologize for the noise. I am sitting on the showroom floor doing this. So you can go to pre-owned, you can shop pre-owned models. It's going to bring up all the options and stuff like that for you to click on and refresh the page. But if you go to our little magnifying glass up here in the top right hand corner and type in the manufacturer and hit enter, it's going to narrow it down to all the GMCs that are available in the auto group. And of course you can type in Toyota, Lexus, Cadillac, whatever. 101 options throughout the auto group for just GMCs. So I'm going to kind of scroll down here, and then I'm going to go to my models. I'm going to click on Yukon. Narrow it down to 20. A little faster. Page does take a little bit time to load because we do have information coming from all of our dealerships, and for good purpose too. We want to be able to make sure that if you're close to one of our stores, we can bring a vehicle to you that might not be right around the corner. Now she was looking for a 16, so of course I could click on 16. It's going to narrow down my search to that 9 remaining units that are available in the outer group, and that'll leave you with one page to look through. You don't have to go sorting through and hitting next at the bottom of the page. Feel free to give me a call if you need any help. 512-897-5135. Again, 512-897-5135. Again, this has been Bradley Allen with Covert Cadillac Pre-Owned. We'll see you out here.